Yes, we're back. Today we have two of the best racers I know. Trust me, I'm lying. But anyway, here they are. Cambodia and Vietnam. It can't get better than this, people. Trust me. Today they will be racing with lawnmowers. That is crazy. Okay, everybody, start your fucking engines. Alright! It's about to get hot in here! Hot! One! Oh, and also Cambodia has a 7-second head start. How good is that? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Look at that sadness! Whoa! Let's go! Cambodia's in first place. He broke down! No! Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner! Put a thumbs up, buddy! Hey! Winner! Thumbs up! Oh, we have violation security.